My video is about getting rid of the pop-ups that are coming from the website Eposiation.space. Eposiation.space. These are the misleading pop-ups that may also display pretty filthy and even dangerous content before your eyes. The pop-up by Eposiation.space is very similar to a lot of other misleading and extremely filthy, sometimes very dangerous pop-ups that have been attacking many browsers before. But the point is that all such malicious websites periodically change their name, but their mission remains pretty much the same. They try to make you click on the special allow button that is integrated into these pop-ups. Clicking on allow button is extremely dangerous too, because this way the browser may be hijacked. You may be forwarded to some other questionable content, or you may start getting advertisements displayed randomly in the right bottom part of your screen. So, what to do if you have mistakenly clicked on that allow button and now see the great multitude of such advertisements randomly on your screen? That's a good question. You first need to go to the menu of your browser. For instance, in Firefox it looks like three horizontal lines. Then go to settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down until you find the special area called notifications and click on settings. So delete any malicious sites that may be causing such intrusive ads on your screen. Just click on them and remove them from the list, and don't forget to save changes. As for fixing Google Chrome browser, the principle is basically identical. Go to the menu, go to settings, scroll down to the special area named privacy and security, site settings. Now you need to find the notifications in the permissions section. Go down to the bottom of the page that displays sites allowed to send notifications. So if you see any of these malicious sites on the list, get rid of them from this list completely. And this is the way to fix your browser manually. Basically, this works very well. Just make sure you get rid of all the malicious websites that are causing such unauthorized notifications. After all these malicious sites are removed, I also recommend you to scan your system additionally with Combo Cleaner, and it will help you to detect other threats that could be possibly hidden on your computer. After you successfully download and install the Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer, you may select your preferred scan type. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so it only gives you quick scan option in the trial mode, even though the premium version also gives you the full scan option and a custom scan. You may click on Start Scan button, and the program will prepare to scanning your computer. It will start reporting certain issues that may be related to your browser, or it may detect more serious threats. You may experiment with the preferences of Combo Cleaner. For instance, Combo Cleaner Premium version works very well with its feature called anti-ransomware. It gives you the chance to add a special folder where you may store protected items, protected documentation. But this component is only the feature of the premium version. So then while the scanning is taking place, you will be able to observe what particular threats are detected, and then at the end of scan you will see the complete summary of all threats that were found during the scan. The premium version of Combo Cleaner gives you important features such as anti-malware, anti-ransomware, and web browsing protection. So with these three features being the part of the premium version, your computer will be fully protected. This includes protection against malware, viruses, ransomware, and suspicious pop-up ads, annoying redirections, and other troubles that people may experience with their browser. But once again, all these three features that are summarized as real-time protection are only the part of the premium version of the software. So, once the scanning is completed, you will see the complete summary of all threads that were found during the scan. You may remove all these threads with the premium version of the program, or ask for a special trial key with the limited period of usage to completely enjoy and evaluate Combo Cleaner premium version.